Researchers have fired a piece of metal into these bacteria at over 400 miles an hour. And they survived. It's not that the researchers have it in for Deinococcus radiodurans. They just wanted to see if it could survive being fired into space. Let me explain. Deinococcus was chosen for this experiment because it's no ordinary microbe. Radiation 1,000 times higher than the lethal limit for humans? No problem. It's the most radio-resistant organism we know of. Extreme acidity? Deinococcus ain't bothered. The vacuum of space? Who cares? Not Deinococcus apparently, because it survived over 3 years outside the ISS. Its hardiness is down to a few things. 1, having loads of antioxidants on board. 2, having a special way to quickly repair its DNA. And 3, having essentially a suit of armour, also known as its cell envelope. Now we can add extreme pressure to the list of things that Deinococcus really isn't fazed by. In this experiment, a sample of Deinococcus was sandwiched between 2 metal plates before being hit with an impact that briefly raised the pressure they experienced to over 3 gigapascals. For context, the deepest part of the ocean maxes out at about 0.1 gigapascals, so this was extreme. And now we come to the why, which is, just the potential origins of life. See, there are many ideas about where life came from, and one of them is called lithopanspermia. This is the idea that microbial life began on one planet but travelled through space after this original planet was hit really hard by something, perhaps an asteroid. Now this idea is controversial and requires a lot of extreme stuff to be true. And the researchers aren't saying that this experiment means that lithopanspermia definitely happened, but the results do suggest that it might not be impossible. Follow Nature for more science news.